And today I'm very proud to announce that Singapore is joining the network of the Digital Factory as the new building block in the group's digital strategy. And the objective, of course, is to be very close to our Asian customers.
In 3, 2, 1.
What you see here, they are producing solutions not just for the Singapore companies and Singapore economy. They are actually providing solutions for many other challenges that other companies in other countries are facing. So we become a hub of a digital solution, and I think that's why they appropriately call this the Digital Factory.
And the Thales Digital Factory was launched in June 2017 in Paris. It's gathering experts in 4 key digital technologies. Cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, big data analytics, Internet of Things.
Basically, we are developing innovative products, innovative digital services for the benefits of our customers, using a new process, which is an agile process where we want to test ideas as fast as possible to put those ideas in production to be used by users in operations.
And we are eager to contribute to the continued success of our customers here as they shape the digital agenda of the country. As Singapore joins the Digital Factory family, our goal is to accelerate the digital transformation of our customers as well as our own digital transformation for Singapore and across the region.